Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So, I feel like I'm getting sick again. I'm trying to ignore it. Hopefully it's just a fluke. I'm going to use up these fall masks. This is the moisturizing pumpkin mask by Spa Life. I want to use these up because I don't want them to go to waste. And it is going to look like a pumpkin, so I'm going to look weird. But I don't care. I really love these, the pumpkin one. It's very moisturizing. We're having a snowstorm right now. Just started about half an hour ago. So let's get this on. Oh, this smells so good. Like, it smells like when you cut fresh pumpkin. With a little bit of like that skincare smell to it. But I do remember how nice these felt on my skin. And with the weather being so crazy and having the heat on, I don't know about you all, if you're in the north, but that just dries my skin out so bad. Alright, I'm going to put on my silicone mask, which makes me look even more weird, huh? Alright, here we go. So, this mask, if I can put my glasses on over this and look really weird. Hey, we strive for weirdness on this channel. It says, don't let dry skin squash your spirit. Moisture-rich pumpkin helps nourish and soften the look of skin faster than you can say trick or treat. Now remember, this was a Halloween mask. It says leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Rub excess serum until it's absorbed. Use bi-weekly. Alright, that's interesting. Bi-weekly. Okay, every other week. Today we're going to unbox my Inked Goddess subscription box. Let's go down a little bit. What is that? Oh, okay. This is by Inked Goddess Creations. It's a subscription service. It's $35 a month. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. Alright, so right on the top it says cleansing your shit. Smoke cleanse. Smoke cleanse by combining... Okay, wait. This is a spell. Calling back your power spell and talking about cleansing your area with smoke. We're going to put that to the side. We're going to unwrap this. Alright, so let's put the card in here. Alright. You do get a card. Here's all her information. Sorry I'm shaking, but I think I've had too much coffee. Alright, so on the back of that card, there's a description of everything you're getting. So first in the box, cleanse your aura, bitch. Okay, so it's a spray bottle. And I love it that they always come in sealed bags, and then you rip the tab off. I don't want this to fall. So you rip the tab off, and then you can... It's like a Ziploc. My hands are slippery from the mask. And then it comes out like that, but it's always inside a Ziploc. So if it would leak, it'll leak into the bag. So, distilled water, mandula, rosewood, geranium, Palo Santo. Okay, let's see what they say to do with this spray. Alright, so cleanse your aura. Cleanse your aura, bitch. Mist. This unique blend of essential oils including balancing and grounding manuka oil, acts as an energetic shield, heavily cleansing away aura sludge and uplifting the spirit. Okay. So then we have a candle. Ooh, okay, nice. Let's see what it says. Let's find the candle. Aura Armor Votive Candle. Uplifting blend of orange, amber, and ginger to raise your vibration and vitality to protect against negative energy. It smells really good. Alright. This is most likely a stone. Ooh. Look at that. That's yellow calcite. Yellow calcite point necklace. Yellow calcite is an uplifting stone, encouraging optimism and motivation, where after you've performed an energetic cleansing reset to keep your energy level high. So this is all going to be about cleansing, which is typical in the new year and in the month of January. I do a lot of cleansing, not just physically, but spiritually, my area, like spiritually, energetically, so on and so forth. Okay, so let me lay that down there. So what is this? Okay. This is the Evil Eye Rosemary Herb Bundle. This gorgeous herb bundle can be displayed to help ward off negative energy. It can be burned for smoke cleansing or can be used for seining by dipping the ends into purified or salt water and flicking the water around your sacred space to cleanse away negative energy. So this is what she looks like. Ooh, that's nice. What's in there? Rosemary, right? Yeah, because I can smell the rosemary. With the little evil eye thing on there. It wards off the evil eye is what that symbol means. So that's pretty, isn't it? I might hang that over my altar. Alright, so there's that. Okay, so we have this box. Cleansed AF set. We've got your smoke cleansing needs covered with this simple set containing a mini blue containing a mini blue sage. Let me put this box down so I can show you. Came like that. Mini blue sage bundle. Ooh. An ethically sourced Palo Santo stick and an abalone shell, which is used to hold either of these as they burn. Simply light the end of either the sage or Palo Santo and allow the smoke to cleanse away negative energy. That's pretty, isn't it? Here's the stick again. I love Palo Santo. It's such a sweet smelling. It just smells beautiful. Alright, then we got 2 cards in the box. So the Eclectic Witch deck. You get 2 to 3, so I've gotten up to 5 of these cards. So it says the Unf Your Energy Eclectic Witch cards expansion pack. 2 cards on Seining and yellow calcite to add to your Eclectic Witch deck. So this one talks about the yellow calcite. And you can pause to read. And this one talks about seining. That's a word that was used in my Welsh great-grandparents' house. My Welsh great-grandma was big on cleansing the energy of the house, her whole property actually. And it's like, it says here, seining is, I say Z, it's almost like a Z, but it's an S. I just say it the way my Welsh great-grandparents said it. Seining is a traditional Celtic practice of purification and blessing. Rooted in Scottish and Gaelic folk magic, it restores harmony, clears stagnant energy, and invites divine protection. The word seine means charm or blessing, and the practice was used to purify people, animals, homes, and sacred objects, honoring the balance between cleansing and renewal. And then there's more on the card. You can pause. Okay. So, that was this month's box from Inked Goddess Creations. So, you got the 2 cards. The candle. The yellow calcite pendant. The seining box for smoke. Spray, which that's what I would use it for. Like clearing energy. And the bundle to ward off the evil eye. And this you could use smoke or water. You could dip it in water and fling it around, or just burn it, or just hang it. I think I'm just going to hang it. So, what a nice box. Okay, so that was my Inked Goddess box. I'm going to go ahead and leave this mask on because I can feel my face just soaking this up. So after I'm done, when I remove it, I am going to rub all the serum in. And there is a lot of serum in here. So I'm going to put it into a little jar and use it like later on tonight after I, get ready for the evening. I will put that on again tonight and let it soak in. So, with that being said, this is a collab with the Beauty Ninjas. Did I mention that? It is Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. Oh my god. If I didn't mention that, I apologize. I'm not feeling well. Anywho, this is a collab with the Beauty Ninjas. Please go down below, click on that playlist, and go see what the other girls are doing for their Mask Monday and what kind of masks they're using. Oh, also the spell. So, there's that. So, anywho, yeah, go down below, click the links, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye.